Fat. Energy-giving nutrient, fat is composed of three elements which include carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But it has more amounts of carbon and hydrogen compared to oxygen. Hence, it called energy-giving nutrient. Plant source. Fats come from plant-based foods, olive and vegetable oils, avocados and many nuts and seeds. Animal source. Animal-based fats include full-fat dairy products, eggs, poultry, red meats and fish. Energy production. Drag the food near to the mouth of human. Fat also provides energy to our bodies like carbohydrates. It provides more energy than carbohydrate. Insulation. There is a thin fat layer underneath the skin. This fat prevents rapid loss of heat from our body into the surroundings, thereby maintaining the temperature of the body. Protection. There is a layer of fat that surrounds major organs and acts as a cushion, absorbing shock from a sudden impact.